Aluminum begins as bauxite, torn from the earth at industrial scale. Refined, smelted, and cast, lightweight strength is forged in fire.
Those clean drone arms start as long shapes cut down into skeleton pieces. Carbon fiber is chemistry petroleum-based threads transformed by extreme temperature. Heat and pressure turn layered fabric into a rigid plate. Battery power starts in salt flats brine concentrated until lithium becomes usable. Inside every battery, layers wound with almost surgical consistency.
Chips begin as purified silicon pulled into crystals before they're ever smart.
Nanometer-scale circuits are etched with light chemistry and obsessive cleanliness. Aerial beauty depends on a sensor that hates dust and fingerprints. Rare earth magnets give small motors disproportionate power.
Every drone is global materials and modules converging on one line.
Before assembly, everything is inspected because one flawed part multiplies into thousands. Mass production still begins with a human deciding what correct feels like.
Arms are machined where strength matters and hollowed where weight matters. One sharp edge can cut a wire and crack a shell or ruin a flight. The drone's skin is molded fast, seconds per part, so the line never waits.
Carbon fiber stiffens the frame without adding mass.
Vibration control starts long before software right here in rubber.
The flight controller is assembled at a pace no hand could match.
It turns paste into metal, bridges hundreds of connections per board.
Machines check what humans can't see: micro cracks, misalignment, solder gaps. The last connections are still human because feel matters.
Motors start as copper choreography tight coils that turn electricity into force. That snap you hear is power magnet to coil locked in alignment.
A gram of imbalance becomes blur noise and fatigue over hours of flight. Propellers look simple until you try to make them identical forever. Pitch and profile decide lift noise and efficiency. One dust speck becomes a permanent ghost in the sky. Stabilization is hardware first three axes built to move without fighting itself.
Navigation depends on antennas tuned to whisper with satellites.
A battery isn't one cell. It's a system welded into reliability. The battery gets its own controller monitoring heat load and limits. Before it ever flies, the pack is stressed because mid-air is not the place to learn. A drone fails most often at connections, so connections are built like anchors. Jigs remove guesswork, so every frame matches the one before it. Each motor is torqued the same because uneven pressure becomes vibration. Cable routing is aerodynamics and durability. Nothing can rattle, nothing can chafe. This is the brain mounted on isolation, so vibration doesn't lie to the sensors. The shell isn't decoration, it's architecture for antennas and airflow. The camera is hung, not bolted, so the world stays smooth even when the drone shakes. Final assembly is where pinched wires and rushed hands become returns. Protective coatings guard electronics against moisture, dust, and time. Hardware becomes a drone only after software takes control. Sensors are taught what still means, because every flight begins with a reference. Before the sky, the drone proves it can hold power without losing control. A final inspection is the last gate between factory perfection and real-world chaos. Packaging isn't marketing, it's impact protection for a flying instrument.
At scale, the product doesn't leave one by one, it leaves in waves. From mines, deserts, and clean rooms, into the air, again and again.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.